This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Hi, I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet. Welcome back. I have another free pattern roundup for us today. I like to do these once every couple of months because as a fellow lover of free crochet patterns, I love to find these and share them with you all because I know a lot of you also love free crochet patterns. Usually I'll do a mix of a little bit of everything in my free pattern roundups, but this time I'm doing just amigurumi. I know a lot of you are fellow amigurumi lovers, that's why you follow me, so I wanted to do a list of 15 free summer amigurumi patterns, and I hope you're excited for this list because there's tons of cute plushies on here. They're all free and they're all well-written patterns. So in these roundups I make sure that these are actually patterns that I would want to make myself, and I definitely don't pull just random ones from the internet. I like to provide them from creators that I know are really great pattern writers, and I know that they're patterns that you'll love. So if you're brand new here, brand new to crochet, I have a full online course. If you don't know how to crochet already, it teaches you from the very beginning how to crochet well with over 40 different videos teaching you basic stitches, more advanced stitches, how to read crochet patterns, and how to crochet any plushie that you would like. So if you've been wanting to learn, definitely check that out. Okay, let's hop into our 15 free summer amigurumi patterns. I always like to start these lists out with a few of my own free crochet patterns that I have on my blog. If you didn't already know, I have a blog with over 50 free crochet patterns. So if you're stuck on what to make, definitely head over there, wondercrochet.com. And I have 2 patterns that I released this summer that are just fun summer crochet patterns. So number 1 on our list is this summer Hello Kitty plush. This is a free pattern on my blog, and it's actually the second Hello Kitty crochet pattern that I've put out for free, and that's because I'm a big Hello Kitty fan. I love Sanrio characters. You can see I have a bunch of other ones on the blog as well, but I wanted to just kind of remake her. The first Hello Kitty that I made was several years ago, and it was for Valentine's Day, so I definitely thought that the summer one was needed. I used fun summer colors for her, and then of course I have the pool floaty pattern included. And this is also a tutorial on my YouTube channel, so if you like to follow tutorials better than you do written patterns, then you can definitely check that out to make this little cutie. And you can honestly make this your own pretty easily if you customize any of the colors. I also made a little tan Hello Kitty and used like purple and yellow and really loved how this turned out. Our next free pattern can also be found on my blog, and it's this little firecracker popsicle pattern. And this was really giving like Jellycat vibes. If you don't know what Jellycat plushies are, definitely look them up. They're all really cute. But that was kind of what I was going for with this little firecracker. I believe that I released this on Memorial Day, which is a US holiday. And also, if you are not from the United States, you do not have to make this red, white, and blue. You can make any colors you'd like if you just want to make a cute popsicle. I had it laying on its side so that you could put the little feet on it, but you can easily flip it up this way and put the smile like that if you'd like. So if you are a fellow crocheter and pattern designer and you love free crochet patterns and you'd love to have a website where you provide your own crochet patterns, I would definitely check out Squarespace. Squarespace is the #1 platform for creatives and entrepreneurs to succeed online. They make it super easy so that you can have a beautiful website set up in no time at all, and you don't need prior web experience to do so. I know tons of crocheters and creatives who use Squarespace to sell their plushies or their crochet patterns, or to offer free crochet patterns on their site as well. It has all the tools so you can sell physical goods as well as digital content and services. And there's also flexible website templates, so you can get started with a professionally designed Squarespace website template where you can customize the look, update the content, and then add the features to fit your needs. So even if you're a beginner with no web design experience at all, you can create a beautiful website using Squarespace. So if you're ready to grow your crochet business, head to squarespace.com/wondercrochet and use the code WonderCrochet to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back to our free crochet patterns. When I'm looking for these free patterns, there are certain sites that I always go to look for free patterns because I already know that they're really great designers and I like making patterns from them. These next 4 patterns are from the same crochet artist because their site is wonderful. So Stringy Ding Ding and I love the name. I made these next 4 summer crochet patterns, and the first one are these ice cream cones. These are so cute for summertime, and it comes with 2 different options, one for a mini ice cream cone and one for a bigger ice cream cone. If you're using chenille yarn, then you can especially have a really big ice cream cone if you make the big one with larger yarn like chenille or blanket yarn. And these are so easy to customize. I made a bunch of these mini ice cream cones as keychains when I first started out crocheting, and honestly they were great sellers for me. And if you watched my crocheting for 8 hours straight video, I made ice cream cones, and you could see how many different flavors that I made and how many different options there are for crochet ice cream cones. So I really think that these would do great at a market. Our next pattern, also by Stringy Ding Ding, is this really cute coconut drink. And this just screams summertime, laying on the beach, relaxing with a fun drink. So I love that this can be a cute plushie as well. If you play Animal Crossing, there is a coconut drink item in the game that looks just like this, and that makes me want to make it even more. So just again, a super fun summer pattern, and definitely easy and a quick workup. Our 5th pattern on this list, also by Stringy Ding Ding, are these tropical penguins. I thought this was so cute because it's like 2 different worlds colliding. Usually an Arctic animal and a tropical vibe. Not to keep mentioning different video games, but if you played Club Penguin as a kid, which I did, and I love Club Penguin, that's what these reminded me of. So I think it would be really fun to make these penguins in fun colors too. And then of course add the adorable accessories that this pattern includes. I especially love the lei. Could you imagine that on just a cute pink penguin? I think I'm gonna make some of these this week. It just brings back fun summer nostalgia for me. Okay, our last pattern by Stringy Ding Ding on this list is our 6th pattern, and it is this adorable seagull. Nothing says summer like sitting on the beach with a snack and having seagulls trying to attack you to get that snack. So a seagull plushie would be just a little bit more docile and probably better, but I really love how adorable the seagull is, and it looks like it's fairly small. So again, if you're using chenille yarn or a bigger yarn than worsted weight, then I feel like this would be a really great size and would make a really great gift as well. The next free pattern on our list is by Stitch by Faye, and it's this adorable sun keychain. I think that this would look so cute on your beach bag for the summer, or even just hanging off your keys or your purse. This is another one that works up pretty quickly. I see a lot of people at summer markets selling keychains. I think that these would do really well. And Stitch by Faye is another blog where she has so many different crochet patterns. So if you're looking for even more free crochet patterns, definitely check her blog out. The next pattern on our list is by my friend Amy, Curious Papaya, and it's this sea otter pattern. Sea otters have been popular in the crochet world for years, it feels like, and I definitely see why. They're one of the cutest animals, definitely one of my favorites, and Amy just writes wonderful patterns. They're really easy to follow, even if you're a beginner, and the end result is beautiful as well. These have honestly been on my list to make for quite a while, so I definitely need to tackle that whip pile and make one of these soon. Oh, and if you all make any of these, obviously make sure to tag the pattern creator, but send them to me as well because I love seeing the things that you make from these pattern roundups. Number 9 on our list are these summer bunnies by A Menagerie of Stitches. As you know, I like to include these bunnies in just about all of my pattern roundups. A lot of them are like season or holiday focused roundups, and Lauren makes these adorable bunnies for just about every season, every holiday that you could think of, and they're all so creative. So this is just another one where you could make these bunnies for just about any occasion, and they're all so cute. It includes patterns for a bunny with a floaty, which you know I already love making plushies little floaties, one of a pineapple, which is so cute, a cactus, which I think is so creative because the arms are like cactus-like, and of course an ice cream one as well. I include them every time for a reason. They're just really well written and really cute. Our next free pattern is by Crochet Nerd, and it's these poppable mushroom frogs. Popping crochet patterns have just taken off so much this year because they're just fun. I made my first popping crochet pattern this year with my teapot pal because I love making these. I know kids like playing with them, adults do too, And this mushroom frog is so cute. You know I love frogs, you know I love mushrooms, anything naturey in the woods, you know. So this one, it's a super quick workup. I think it would do really well out of market as well. Anything that people can pick up and play with is always a good seller and always a nice surprise for them. Another small quick summer make is this little dolphin by Sweet Tomatoes. This is another one that works up really quickly, would be great for markets. You can do it in a ton of different colors. Oh, also, I think that it would look really great if you use this confetti yarn. I think any sea animal looks really great in this yarn, and this is just another one just to kind of jazz it up a little bit. But I love patterns that are quick workups because you really feel accomplished in such a short amount of time. So that's why I definitely wanted to include some small ones on this list as well. The next pattern on our list is just whimsical and silly and cute, and it's this Merfroggy by Kawaii Cuddlebug. This is a mermaid frog. This is a mermaid and a frog, and they are mashed together, and the end result is so cute. Again, I love any frog crochet pattern. They're really popular, but they're popular for a reason. They're cute, they're crowd pleasers. This is no exception. So this is just a cute summer frog that just likes to swim in the ocean as a mermaid. And it also comes with a pattern for a little seashell purse, which is just really cute. And again, can be easily customized so that you can make it look your own. We are flying through these patterns. We only have 3 left on this list. Our next pattern is by Bella Coco, another pattern designer and YouTuber who has so much content. It's this beautiful lighthouse. My family and I love to vacation in North Carolina where there's tons of lighthouses. So a lighthouse to me just like signals summertime. And this is such a well-written pattern. You could make it pretty big if you used like blanket yarn. So it could really be summer decor for the house. Or if you want to make a cute amigurumi lighthouse, put a little smiley face on it, because that makes everything cuter. Also, does anyone, I might be showing my age here, but does anyone remember the show Salty's Lighthouse? Please comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. If not, just ignore me. But Lighthouse is summertime. This one is definitely on my list to make. Please let me know if you make this one because I think it's beautiful. Okay, only 2 more patterns on our list. Our next one, and you know I couldn't get through this summer list without including an octopus. This is the No Sew Octopus Plush by Passionate Crafter. We love any pattern that doesn't require sewing. The octopus plushies are just so popular. Everyone always likes them. They're always crowd pleasers. I like making these, especially if I need something quick to make for a little gift or to add to a gift. And this No Sew Octopus is, again, cute, easy, really quick workup. You can make them in just about every color. I would love to make one in every color of the rainbow because I think that that would look beautiful. And I've seen a ton of No Sew Octopus patterns. I like this one specifically because the tentacles are curled and they're not too long and it still looks cute and little and squishy. I don't know, I just feel like the proportions are really right on this one and that's why I wanted to include it. The last pattern on our list already, I should have made this list longer, I will next time if you want me to, is this Strawberry Pillow by Hey Crochet. I include her patterns just about every roundup. She doesn't have a ton of amigurumi patterns, it's more so fun accessories and clothing, and they're all just beautiful. I love her vibe. But this jumbo strawberry pillow, adorable. It's so cute. It would look really great on my couch. Maybe I should make one. And it would look super cute if you added some safety eyes and a smile. Strawberries and summertime just go hand in hand, and this would look beautiful on your couch really all year round, but especially for summertime or on your outdoor furniture. I think it would look great. Or just as a big plushie. As you know, I love making cute jumbo plushies, so I definitely want to make a big strawberry for the room, for the couch. I feel like I have to. But those were 15 free summer amigurumi patterns. Let me know which ones are on your list or which one was your favorite. And also, if you like these pattern roundup videos, you want me to keep doing them, I have a ton of ideas and there's so many wonderful free crochet patterns out there. I can make hundreds of these. Thank you so much again to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for watching as always. If you don't already, give me a follow over on my Instagram. I post all of my new projects and fun over there, and also if you'd like to join me on Patreon, I have a lot of fun benefits for my tier members there. They get the very first sneak peeks of my new patterns and behind the scenes and just all the fun that I'm working on. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.